Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a Revolut account in Ireland. So first we're going to download the Revolut app. Then as you can see there is the create account option. So we're going to choose the Ireland option as you can see for our phone number. Then we're going to insert our phone number there. So once we insert it, we're going to click on continue. Then it's going to ask us our country of residence. So once we insert it, we're going to sign up securely. So next, it's going to tell us that our account is going to be ready soon. Since we're going to be submitting our email, they're going to contact us using our email. So it might take a lot of time since there are lots of users who have registered to be put in there to create their accounts. So we're going to have to wait and look for our email if there is any chance of opening the account. So I hope this video was a help for you guys. I hope you successfully opened a Revolut account. I hope to see from you soon. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. Goodbye.